Today I wanted to share some thoughts about the sacred groves and sacred gardens and their function as indicators of natural phenomenon and as places which has immense ecological as well as spiritual and cultural significance. What is this? So in all these type of native type of civilizations, one fundamental aspect about them is the reverential attitude towards nature. So at the most fundamental level, you respect nature and you observe what happens in nature and you align your life with the flow of natural forces. You don't try to fight nature, but you go along with it. So that is the foundational principle. Oh, it has milky latex. Cyananchum. So the whole society and the way of life is structured around revering nature, learning from nature and going along with nature. But after settled society started, the interference with the land increased because for cultivation and all, you have to do various things to the land, violent stuff, that is digging and all that, and preventing other creatures from coming there and damaging your crop and all that. So in such situations, when agriculture first made its appearance, these forest communities evolved one step and they set aside a little bit of their lands as sacred spaces where they will not interfere. Rest of the place they interfere, they do their thing, collecting firewood, this and that, cultivation, tree cutting and all, but in that sacred space they will not do anything. So they were set aside for nature to operate as it did in the pre-agricultural era. For that purpose, these sacred sites were demarcated, sacred hills and groves and all that. And even inside Indian cities, to this day you will find the sacred trees, ficus and all. That is the smallest possible size of a sacred grove consisting of one ficus tree. There the natural processes can happen on that one tree in the middle of the city also, because that ficus is amenable to all that. ಇದು ನೋಡು, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ? ಹೊಸ ಗಿಡ ಇದು, ಪಿಂಕ್. ಇದು ನೀನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಮನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು, ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ತಕ್ಷಣ.